Hey Brad, what are you up to today?
So today I'm going to show you how to attach our irrigation system to a bed that may not be a Vego raised bed. Today I've got this wooden bed here and it's very simple. I'm going to take our bracket that comes in our irrigation kit, and with this I've got the self-tapping screw. I'm going to take it, use my drill, line it up right here with the edge of the bed. And attach it just like that. Then you can take your T-bracket, click that into place, and continue building your irrigation kit as the instructions say. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move over here to our modern bed. All right, so I'm here with one of our modern beds. This is the 32-inch, and I'm going to show you how to attach the irrigation kit bracket to this. Again, I've got my self-tapping screw. Using my drill, I'm going to find a point right here on the edge of the bed and attach it just like that. Go ahead and take my T-bracket like before, click that into place. And one thing I do want to note is that this attachment method will work on the modern bed and the Evergrowth series as well. So I can put my hoses in here and continue building the kit just like that. Thanks, guys.